Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and you are watching how to start a new meeting using Google Meet. This is very important nowadays and watch it carefully without skipping any step. Requirements for starting a new meeting using Google Meet. Installation of Google Chrome, and a good internet connection. Click on the subscribe button to get more important videos like this. Number 1, go to Google Chrome. Number 2, click on the 9 dots that you see at the extreme right of your browser. If you don't see it, refresh your tab several times and try it again. Number 3, scroll down through the Google apps and find an app that has the nametag as Meet, that looks like a webcam. Number 4, click on it and it will take you to a tab something like this. Number 5, now you have to sign in with your Google account, by clicking on Sign In. It is located at the top right corner of your tab. Google account means your Gmail ID, like abc@gmail.com, iamgood@gmail.com. Number 6, now you have to sign in. Number 7, congrats! You are now signed in. Now click on New Meeting and click on the first option, that is Get a Meeting Link to Share. Number 8, a meeting link is generated and this is your meeting room ID. Click on the paper icon to copy the link. Paste it on your browser's address bar and press enter. Now you can see that you are in your meeting room. Number 9, this is the preview section where you can test your video and audio and see if it is fine or not. When you are ready, click on Join Now. Number 10, now you are in. Share this link to anybody whom you want to join your meeting room. You can share your ID via Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. This is the process of creating your own meeting and this link never expires. If anyone tries to join into your meeting room before your meeting starts, they will not be able to join in. As you are a host, you have to sign in and start the meeting first. Whenever you join in, participants will be able to join into your meeting room. Now you are set.